Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix this kind of camera related problem on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to settings. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on it. Search for camera. Tap on camera. Tap force stop. Tap OK. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap on delete or tap OK. Tap here. Make sure to turn on it. Move back and open permissions. Allow all the permissions. Once it is completed, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then open your camera app. Tap here. Scroll down and find out reset. Now reset your camera settings. After that, I hope your problem will be no longer available. That's it. Thanks for watching.